What's up, guys? I'm here to do an honest review of this right here, this mini chainsaw. I got this off of Amazon. It's got 4.5 stars and it was really cheap. Let's check it out. By the way, the brand is Seapoi. Let's see what it all comes with. Okay, we've got a glove. Doesn't seem like it's a, protects your fingers or whatever. Not sure why it came with that, but hey, that's kind of cool. Okay, there's the chainsaw itself. It's got a little case, it looks like, a little plastic cover. Look at how small that is right there. That's funny. Okay, it comes with a battery. Obviously, gotta charge it. We'll see right now if it works well right out of the box. I think this is for some oil. Doesn't look like it comes with the oil, but I'd imagine you put it in this right here. Instructions, but who really needs those? Some eye protection. Cut down some mini branches in style. I don't know if I would wear these, but hey, that's kind of cool. It comes with those as well. And a little screwdriver. Probably to do some adjustments. But let's just check it out right out of the box. Obviously, no battery, we're good to touch it over here. It's got a little guard right there. Kind of cool. That's probably like your primer or whatever. Got a little cap on here. What's this? Oh, that's where you would put the oil in. Okay, right there. And let's try it out. Oh, wow. Don't even need to charge it out of the box. That's kind of cool. Let's try to cut something. Hold on, let me try to find something here. Here I found about a 4-inch branch to test out. Keep in mind I haven't even charged this thing yet, and this is my first time using it. I'm actually impressed with how well it cut the wood. It cut it like butter. My honest review would be, hey, I get it. So it's more in today's world about like a convenience thing. Rather than use like a pole saw or like a hand saw. This thing was dirt cheap on Amazon, and it's got a little safety right here, so you hit this button and that, and it goes. And now my wife or even myself, can get rid of some brush around the house, and this thing will cut right through it with not a lot of effort. Check it out if you're interested. Take it easy, guys.